We entered a Telegram group to see if we can profit from it because these statements look damn promising. So we thought one of our own actually enter the group and we'll record the entire journey, because think about it, right? We at LearnApp don't think tips work, but just look at this page. What if it's a gold mine? What if the groups are the correct answer to make money? And what if I can delay salaries of all people at LearnApp for 10 days, make money in the tips, and then just buy that Ferrari? Yeah. So let's see what happened on day one. What's interesting is that we have intraday tips, Banknifty, Nifty. Banknifty तो बहुत move करता है, तो I know something can be made from this because volatility तो है. One more thing I notice is that 93,000 subscribers हैं इस Telegram group में. So it's possible that something good is happening over here. It's also possible the admin is a hedge fund manager. तो पैसा ही पैसा होगा. Now let's see day 2. अब डे 2 में आप देखोगे we have tracked it for 2 months. So this video took a lot of time. Give a like and a subscribe. हम बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं. Anyway, you'll here see from 8th May to 8th June, we have all these stocks this amazing Telegram group has given us. Manapuram, Adani Enterprises, Zomato, Ashok Leyland. लेकिन एक चीज आप देखोगे, the profit and loss को if you add, it was actually a loss. But if you also look at the total trades, winners versus losers, 3 out of 8 winners and 5 out of 8 losers. So the 99% accuracy did not work. And if you believe that it worked, the joke is on you. कुछ भी believe करते हो इंटरनेट पे?
आपको हम पर भरोसा नहीं सर?
We thought of exposing these guys with all the data, but only admins could send messages. So what did we actually learn from this? We learned that trading is gambling if you do shit like this. Trading is like a business, right? So you have to make sure you're not doing gambling stuff like taking tips, asking people for help, etc. The only solution over here is very simple. Learn how investing works over a long period of time, and there is a proper way to do it. And LearnApp is trying to actually fix it by having these 2-day programs every weekend. It's completely free, but we're not taking the people seeking to make a lot of money from the market. उनको हम reject कर देते हैं. Therefore, only a small percentage of people get in, and we teach them how basics of investing, mutual funds, markets work because, well, you know, it's good. It's just a nice thing to do. So link in the description, apply, and if you don't get in, you can complain that we're not letting you in the comments below, but also say something nice. Let me also talk about some other scams that are happening in the market that you should know and your friends should definitely know. The first one is called pump and dump. Now, pump and dump is very simple. Imagine there are only 10 shares available in the market and somehow 5 shares are being bought by this big institution or a bunch of people. Now, because 50% of outstanding shares was bought, the demand for the shares went up and therefore the stock price will go up. Now, obviously, something like Tata Motors or Tata Steel or Infosys will not have 10 outstanding shares in the market. They'll have millions of shares. But small companies, unheard of, will have a very small number of available shares in the market. Hence, these Telegram groups and other places where they ask a lot of small investors in groups to buy a small company, and because so many retails are putting a few thousand rupees at scale, it actually moves that company a lot. And the admin will then dump that stock on you because he pumped it through you and will make his money. A good example is Dogecoin, where the admin was Musk, and he actually pushed Dogecoin a lot and at some point probably dumped it, I don't know. But this scam is actually done at a very small level on Telegram, saying कि ये बहुत बढ़िया company है, buy it, it will go up, and then it suddenly falls. Stay away from people telling you to buy shit. The second one is fake pages, fake groups, fake screenshots, but let's stick to the fake profile. Now, the fake profile uses something that you and I can't ignore. It's called trust. If you trust a brand or a person, if someone can impersonate that person and ask for money, you'll be gullible enough to make it. For example, LearnApp also has impersonations of itself. Look at the logo, it's exactly the same. The follower count, the posts are copied. You will even see a decent following, but all of this is not true. And even the handle will look similar, but they actually changed something so you don't notice it. Now, because of this, you might get a DM from a company like ours or any other company asking for money. Whenever that happens, you have to basically say, you give me money first. Because a company won't just ask for money on UPI. They'll probably have a payment gateway, they'll have a product, they'll have promises, etc., etc., etc. Don't trust random pages asking you to send money through UPI or even worse, crypto. This is also true for banks. So when you look at ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, all these banks, they're doing a great job with security, but scamsters will just change the URL a little bit, send you an email, ask you to enter username and password. So impersonations happen everywhere, on email, Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, everywhere. Now, the reason why we made this video is because you shower us with so much of love and we read every single comment. At least I do, everyone in the team does, and it's so heartwarming. I just love reading all these messages over here. But some of these guys try to scam you in the comments by saying, Jane Austen se bahut paise kamaye. Next time you see that, reply to them saying, bhai pehle tu paise de. Because I think we're smarter than this. We are trying to teach the proper way, saying quick money cannot be earned in the market, but money can be earned over a long period of time. And I hate these guys over here. So maybe the doer army can probably heckle them a little bit. And if you thought that this was interesting and actually help someone or can help some of your friends, share it with them, say something nice in the comments because we will read it. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button because we want to see that view count go up. It encourages us a lot. Put something nice. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Roll है?
Buyer Satark Ro and fuck and shit. Satark. Like subscribe.
अरे नहीं सर आज
Give me pop.